We're gonna get Milo here going after Milo going after the bird. Hit us at Cat Family Adventures. Go after the bird, Milo. Some of my favorite tunes. Don't hit us with a joint iron. There he goes, there he goes. There he goes. Milo, back over there. Go for that bird, quit being shy. You like this song? You like this song? Hit us with a heart. Brings a tear to my eye. There he goes, there he goes. Look at him, he's fighting now. Oh my God, don't knock my TV off. Oh my God. Share this, share this. Y'all gotta share this on Facebook. Oh my God, don't knock my TV off. Oh my God. Share this, share this. Y'all gotta share this on Facebook. He's fighting. Fighting. He thinks it's real. Milo. Oh, don't you knock the 75-inch TV off. Oh my God. Free bird. Yeah, follow us. Share this and also check out Cat Family Adventures. Check it out. You can see our page there. Right there, Cat Family Adventures. Let's open my profile view. Good to see you guys in here. Oh, we're gonna go back a little bit. We're gonna hit something else for you. Cat Family Adventures is the YouTube page. Stick to my profile. If you like this song, here's with a heart. Nope. There he is again. Oh my God, he's gonna jump. Oh shit, Milo. Oh shit. Don't knock the TV off, Milo. Good to see you guys. Easter, Nancy, Jay, good to see you all, guys. Boom. Oh my God, you gave him a punch again, Milo. Oh my God. Stop. Now he's just laying there. Gives him some good practice. Good to see you, Greg. Raymond. See you too. Jenny, join us. Ellie, Julia. Oh, we're gonna go back. Cat Family Adventures. Check us out on YouTube. We're gonna go back and look at another one. See if he hits it himself. God, he's punching at himself. You got a boxing cat right here. Boom! He's fighting himself. Oh my God. He's shouting at you. He's fighting himself. Yeah, followers, leave me a like. I need a heart on this one. Look, he's fighting himself. Boom, 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 boom. Good to see you guys. Alien, Jane. See he goes after this bird. It's completely fine. Fake video. He didn't go. He don't react to that. So here he goes. Good to see you. We've got a live guest there. R.D. King J. Unbelievable. For Cat Family Adventures, check us out on YouTube. We've done some of the videos. Don't get down with Jordan. Milo. Milo. Get those birds up there. Milo. Milo. Get those birds. Lee Jordan, Ellen Jordan, Garrett Jordan.